Welcome to PYT Journeys, expert-curated itineraries for a hassle-free holiday experience. Welcome to Singapore, a city where warmth meets wonder. Explore vibrant culture, iconic landmarks, and unique experiences in this 7 days itinerary. Land in Singapore and feel the city's warmth. Set sail on a breathtaking cruise around Singapore's sparkling waters. Indulge in luxury. Soak up the sun and relish the sea breeze. Pamper yourself at the onboard spa, take a thrilling plunge down with water slides, and savor exquisite cuisine with panoramic ocean views. It's 2 days of pure bliss on the high seas. Begin your day at the world-renowned Singapore Zoo, a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Engage in interactive exhibits and witness the incredible conservation efforts that make the zoo a global leader. As the sun sets, brace yourself for an enchanting night safari. A one-of-a-kind nocturnal experience awaits, where you'll encounter elusive creatures in their natural habitat. Upon reaching the Sentosa Island, get a bird's-eye view of Singapore as you take the Sentosa cable car ride. Explore the aquarium's underwater wonders and enjoy breathtaking views. Discover your inner child at Universal Studios. From thrilling rides to magical encounters, it's a day filled with action and adventure. Don't miss the mesmerizing Saturday night fireworks at Lake Hollywood. Dive into the city's heart with a scenic tour, capturing iconic landmarks and the mythical Merlion. Explore Thian Hock Keng Temple, Chinatown, and Little India. In the evening, be captivated by the futuristic gardens by the bay and the panoramic views from the Marina Bay Sands SkyPark. Depart from Singapore with cherished memories. Book your journey with Pick Your Trail for a hassle-free experience in this enchanting destination. Our expert will be in touch with you to help with your hassle-free holiday planning. Also, our exclusive Pick Your Trail app will help you in sharing tips before your trip, remind you for payments, give access to all vouchers, and allow 24/7 on-trip assistance. So go ahead and book this itinerary today. Check out the link in the description and subscribe to Pick Your Trail for more such travel content.